dito po tayo. Ayan. Dito tayo sa photo yan. Okay. Say hi muna. Ayan. So, syempre, there. Sa Solar Live natin, mag-hi muna natin sa mga naka-live tayo ngayon sa TikTok, sa Solar. Okay. Now, please introduce yourself first, each and everyone, para sa mga nandito at para sa mga kay...
Hindi rin na-release yung rosary ni Mami, so hindi ulang.
Ay, yung ano? Oo, yung kilala sila ng ating gabi. Drop your picture in front of you. You pretend that you do that same. And if begin, you sign favorite ako yung nag-style sa akin. Ha? Sino yung nag-style? Talaga po.
Siguro, where are you seated?
Dapat yung sagot mo. Oo, masarap yan. Sura ko masarap yan.
Parang hindi naman. Ano, story natin, tapos i-mention natin.
Mamaya, sasabihin mo. Pa-order nga ulit. Popcorn. Parang gusto niya nga ng tubig. Diba talaga yan? Marami gumagawa. May ganun-ganun na
Three months yung pondo. Hindi naman kamo pwedeng 3 months. 3 months.
Yeah.
Tapos mata nila dito.
Yeah, 145. Di ba?
Nakakabalik ang ba?
Ang camera nila.
ganun ba? Hindi ko. Ito ko ba yung
Bahay mo na.
Hello po! Ay, hello po! Hello po! Hello po! Katabi pala natin sa Kuya Mikey. Pinsan po ako ni Francie. O sige lang mo. Katabi tayo.
Okay. Alright, my name is Colleen Perez and I'll be your host for today. But before we start our advanced screening, welcome, she who must not be named. Don't forget to use the official hashtag for today sa mga magpo-post ng photos. I see everybody's looking glamorous and fabulous tonight. Hashtag SWMNBN Red Carpet. At syempre gusto natin pasalamatan, we would like to thank SM Mall of Asia for hosting our official venue, for being the official venue for tonight's red carpet. At special to because this is attended by our friends from the media. Let's give them a round of applause. Our colleagues in the entertainment industry and of course the fans of Francel. I love it. Kaya talaga yung kakatos ko dito. Now, ladies and gentlemen, give me the honor of introducing the cast for this film, starting off with Miss Lady Martin. Ayan, followed by, dito ba si Raven Rigor? Abdul Rahman. You have to go here. I'm sorry, I'm interrupting your popcorn moment. Of course, we have Caleb Ong. Also joining us is Kitch Minamoto. Also in this film is Miss Elijah Alejo. I think pasunod pa lang siya. Joining us here also is Miss Ruby Ruiz. And also joining us today is Miss Bernadette Allison. Also in this film is none other than ang original na love team nung 90s, Sir Bobby Andrews, but I think pasunod pa lang din siya, medyo traffic. And let's also call on the writer of She Who Must Not Be Named, Lawrence Nicodemos, followed by, syempre kung may writer, may director, the director, Christopher Vamos! And now, ladies and gentlemen, please give a big hand for the stars of She Who Must Not Be Named, Seth Fedelin and Francine Diaz. All right. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, take your shot and don't forget to use the official hashtag She Who Must Not Be Named, the red carpet. And don't forget, when you watch the movie, hashtag She Who Must Not Be Named. Showing po kami in over 100 cinemas nationwide. And ngayon, kayo po ang pinakawaswerte at pinalad na makakanood first hand ng She Who Must Not Be Named. Kaya inaabangan po namin ng inyong mga feedback. Sa tingin nyo ba, happy ending or sad ending? Mixed reaction siya. Okay, ako din hindi ko malaman kung happy ending or sad ending. Okay, for now, please have a photo of our cast. Okay, so bago natin i-on ang ating red carpet, ang ating movie, short message sa lahat ng fans bago nila mapanood.
Red carpet premiere ng She Who Must Not Be Named at sana po ay mag-enjoy po kayong lahat. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa pagdating ngayong gabi. Sana ma-enjoy nyo ang palabas na aming ginawa from OA Productions and Solar Studios Inc. She Who Must Not Be Named. Malapit. Bukas na.
Thank you very much sa lahat po ng pumunta and syempre sa production po. Thank you po and sa lahat ng tao sa likod ng camera, sa harap pa sa likod ng camera at salamat po. Maraming salamat.
I just want to say I hope you guys enjoy the movie and I want to say thank you to everyone involved in this movie and sobrang na-enjoy ko tong project na to. I enjoyed every single moment of it. Yun po. Thank you po.
Yun po, unang-unang maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta, sa mga kaibigan ko po na nandito, sa aming dalawang Francine, sa mga families and friends namin. Of course, our managers, Solar Studios, OA Production, of course, ABS-CBN. And this is it, guys. This is for you, for all of you. Pinaghirapan po namin to, dalawa ni Francine at ang buong cast. So, enjoy po natin to.
Marami po kami gustong sabihin na message sa inyo at yung walang sawang pasasalamat, pero tara panoorin na po natin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagbigay ng oras. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa movie na to.
Gusto ko lang po pasalamatan ng lahat na pumunta dito, nag-take time para panoorin itong lahat ng pinaghirapan ng buong prod at ng mga artista and crew. At ayun, kung may comment kayo about sa pelikula, don't hesitate to post it. Tag nyo na lang din yung Solar Pictures and your friends. And ayun, enjoy the film, everyone.
Gusto ko po magpasalamat sa Solar Pictures kasi medyo natagalan na po bago ilabas ito. So, thank you, Sir Butch, okay, for gambling on this beautiful movie. Napakabait po ng role ko dito. Abangan niyo. Enjoy po natin yung movie and let's help keep Philippine cinema alive. Yes.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hindi ko na po patatagalin pa. A round of applause and I give to you the movie brought to you by Solar Studios and OA Productions, She Who Must Not Be Named.
Minsan lang tayo magkakaroon. Okay lang yun. Di ba sabi sa mga ba kayo? Hindi. Ano mo nyo lang ako? Ayun. Minsan lang tayo magkakaroon. Sino ka nakatayo?
Again, later po for our ticket selling. Everybody, please stay. Pauunahin po muna natin ang cast na lumabas. So after the movie, please stay on your seats. Dahil may ticket selling po ang cast, so pauunahin po muna natin sila. Thank you! Enjoy the movie!
Wala mo akong stop. Wala ko pwede akong kumuha sa sagot.
Ay, wala sa mga tao.
Oh.
Huwag yung sasabihin ang pangalan ni... Okay, ni girl. Okay, si girl pa rin siya. Huwag natin sabihin ang pangalan. Hindi ko nga sabihin ang pangalan. Sikretong malupit. Okay? So, syempre, may invite the cast first. Dahil, habang nag-iintay kayo dito, Okay, we will invite everybody, please stay on your seats. Casters will exit the hall onto the standby area first, okay? Standby area first, cast standby area first before we do the ticket selling.
Ano ang sabi ko? Damyan mo na. Pupuno tayo dito, dito tayo makakain. Picture na lang ako. Sa labas na lang po. Thank you guys. Congrats.
Okay. Hi, sorry.
Ay, nandun na. One more.
Ticket booth or CR? CR. Kailan sila? CR? Ticket booth or CR? Ticket booth or CR? Side ticket selling ba? Nila.
Part 2!
Thank you.
Pati si Kaylin may pa-surprise. Congratulations, pwede ka na kumita. Ayan. Again, pwede na pong pumili lahat ng ating mag-a-advance sa She Who Has Not Been Named, showing na po tomorrow in all SM cinemas and over 100 cinemas nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Handa na kayong kiligin sa concept. Asa, ayan na! Ayan po, ticket na! Again, para po sa mga nagtataka, ano po nangyayari? Hindi po kami namimigay ng ayuda, pero nagbebenta po kami ng ticket ng She Who Has Not Been Named. And you are privileged enough because Francet po ang mapapunch ng ticket ninyo. This is for advance selling. Yan. Next po, ilang tickets po? Again, for all those curious, ano pong nangyayari, lalo na po yung mga palingon-lingon dyan, we are in an advanced selling session for She Who Must Not Be Named here at the Mall of Asia ticket booth with none other than the leads giving you your ticket. dahil bukas na ipapalabas in over 100 cinemas nationwide, including SM Mall of Asia Cinema. Alright? Lapit na po tayo. Hi! Yes po. Hi, how will we help you? Tapos, you might want to watch Chico and Nandine like you're gonna be so in love. Like even more. There is subtitle in English. So you